Hi there, I'm Bo from Boutique Realty and I'm going to take you through 7/2 Sienna Street in Ellen Grove. Here we've got a townhouse in a lovely well-maintained complex. It does have a single garage, security screens right through, and a lovely grassed courtyard at the back. So here is the living room. So quite a good tiled area, enough room for small dining as well, and it's open plan to the kitchen. Internal access to your garage, and it does have an automatic garage door. Downstairs as well, we have a laundry and toilets. Okay, and outside, rainwater tank, electric hot water. Alright, so kitchen does have air conditioning, reasonable fridge space, electric cooking and dishwasher. I'll take you upstairs. So on the upstairs level, got 2 bedrooms at the back, ceiling fans, wardrobes. Okay, they're really good size. This wardrobe is just massive. It's the entire length of that wall. Ceiling fan again. Master bedroom. Love this room. It's got the big mirrored door and ensuite. And then the main bathroom, shower and bathtub. So if you're looking for a new property in Ellen Grove to move into, this one's coming up. Jump on our website and we'll hear from you soon.